What's the meaning of beriberi? Beriberi. Beriberi.
Beriberi. Beriberi. Beriberi is a disease caused by a deficiency in thiamine, also known as vitamin B1. Thiamine plays an important role in converting food into energy for the body, and when levels are low, it can lead to a range of symptoms. The classic presentation of beriberi includes weakness, tingling or burning sensations in the limbs, difficulty walking, loss of appetite, and weight loss. If left untreated, it can lead to heart failure, coma, or even death. Beriberi is commonly seen in populations who have a diet low in thiamine, such as those in poverty or those who consume large amounts of polished rice.